Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Webull, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your bank account to your Webull account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your bank account to Webull anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing your trading on Webull, you have to have a bank account in order to either fund your account or to withdraw funds or settled funds into a bank account so you can spend it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect a bank account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to click on My Account. All right, once you click on My Account, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on Transfer Money. It has a little dollar sign next to it. Once you do that, this menu is going to open up, and you want to click on Linked Account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see debit card and ACH. So debit card is just your plastic debit card. You can connect that to fund your account. But if you want to connect your bank account, you're going to click here, ACH, link a personal bank account. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this little pop-up. So you can do real-time verification. So basically, you're going to have to log into your bank account, and they're going to verify your bank, and it'll be connected immediately. You can also do micro deposit verification. So basically, Webull is going to make 2 small deposits into your bank account, and then you have to come back over here and verify those transactions. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do real-time verification. They also let you know that it must be in the name of your Webull account. So my name's Anthony. The bank account has to be in the name of Anthony. It can't be in my business name. It can't be in my family member's name. It must be in my name. And lastly, right here, if you're going to be linking a credit union or like a smaller regional bank, oftentimes you're not going to be able to do the real-time verification. You can try, but if not, then you're going to need to do the micro deposit verification. This could take 1 to 2 business days. So I'm going to click on next. All right, next you want to go ahead and just choose your bank. So I bank with Chase. Okay, next, Chase lets you know that they're going to share this information with Webull, accounts and contact info. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, next Chase opens up a browser. So I need to use my username and password to my Chase account and then sign in. Okay, next Chase lets me know that I'm going to be linking with Webull, but I'm also giving access to something called Vestnet and Yodlee. I guess that's the service that Webull uses to collect data. If you're okay with that, click on next. All right, next Chase lets me know the information they're going to share with Webull. So if you're okay with that, click on next. All right, next, if you have more than one account with Chase, go ahead and choose the account that you're going to share data with Webull. So I'm going to use this one right here and then click on next. Okay, lastly, Chase wants me to confirm I'm going to share this information and this account with Webull. So I'm going to click on link my account. Okay, next it shows an image of my account. So you want to click on save and finish. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Chase account is now linked to the ACH bank account transfer section. So I can use this to fund my Webull and then also to withdraw settled funds. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your bank account to Webull, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.